The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Giant Weta are known for their extra-large body size. Some are heavier than a sparrow. They're also famous for gigantic turds. One of the largest poos of any insect on the entire planet. Don't think about it too much, it'll give you nightmares.
Think or float.
Lion! Tiger! Which mighty cat scat will float? Place your bets!
Poo Facts.
Elephant excrement is mostly made up of fibre. That means it can be made into paper. An average elephant can drop enough brown anchors to make over 100 pages of paper a day. Not on my fish and chips, you bloomin' don't.
Fart facts.
Snakes fart too. Sonar and coral snakes use their farts as a defence mechanism. They suck air into their butt and then push it back out to keep predators away. Fire in the hole!
Think or float.
Lion! Tiger! Whose jobbies will rise to the surface? Neither. They both sink! Sucked it badly! Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.